Hey y'all, so today I'm going to try to fix my tripod. As you've noticed on this past few videos, my tripod's been acting stupid and I'm getting frustrated about it, so I'm going to see if I can try to fix it. I wish I had a whole bunch of money and I could just go buy another tripod, but unfortunately it doesn't work that way. So, hold on, let me see if I can lay my phone down on my work box. Please, Lord Jesus, don't let it fall. Okay. Whew. Alright, let me turn on this light real quick. Okay. Alright. Woohoo! Okay. So this is what I've done so far. Okay, so right here, it did not... the rubber that was right here that held on to the phone, it wore off. So right now what I'm doing is I'm gluing. I got my E6000. Well, now it's like 000 now. And I have some piping, just some couch. I think it's called couch piping couch. I don't know. Where there's pretty much like a little like rope inside covered with material. I don't know however way to explain it. But anywho, all I did is I cut a piece and I glued it. I glued it down right here on the bottom. So now what I'm going to do next is to make sure that it stays there and it's secure. I'm going to go ahead and get some binder clips. Go ahead and get some binder clips, and I'm going to clip them right here around the sides. Like I said, to make sure that it doesn't plop off. And of course I have babies, so they might want to mess with it. So let's see. There we go. And maybe one more in the front. And then I'm going to work on this top part, because up here there was a little rubber thing right here that prevented the phone from, stay right here, from preventing the phone to go forward. So I'm going to see if I could try to put something right there to fix it. So I got one part. Looks so crazy right now. I'm just trying to think of what to put on that little hole. So while I'm thinking and putting all my stuff back, let me go ahead and show y'all how I've been organizing my stuff lately. I know I showed y'all this last video or this previous videos of how I reorganized everything and how it looks all nice and pretty and stuff, but let me go ahead and show y'all what's going on, where I'm putting all my stuff at, pretty much. Alright, so here's my table. Here is my adhesive, and here's my E6000. Let me wipe that off. Well, once I wipe it off, hold on. Okay. And I'm just gonna place it inside my, inside my, where all my glues are at. There's my glues, there's my tape, and then binder clips. I just have this in here so I can hide it from my kids. Alright, so adhesive. Come on, dude. I can't even pick it up right. Come on, dude. Let's go. There we go. And just plop it right there. There we go. I'm trying to like look at the phone, making sure that y'all see. Whew, and put that in at the same time. Alright. Here's my scissors, my shears, and that goes, just plops that right there on the front. Alright. And then my piping. All I do with the piping, because it's just let me see if I can move out. I guess I can. It's just a little bitty scrap. So I'm just gonna quickly, thoroughly. Oops, sorry. God dang it. I need to start looking at the camera instead. Now I'm just gonna plop this right here in the corner where the rickrack is at, even though it's not a rickrack, but I still just gonna put them right there because I don't feel like putting them with the bias tapes, because then I'm really gonna start going through all this stuff and try to reorganize everything. Okay, I just got an idea. What if I put like a piece of ribbon, like knot it up, put the piece of ribbon right there, and then glue it onto right here, and then the knot will be like a ball, and it'll be right here at the bottom. Hold on, let me go get a piece of ribbon real quick. Okay, so I just got a little scrap of ribbon really quick. So let's see, let's try to make a knot. Let's do the knot at the end. Let's see. So that way the ball, the little bally part, can be at the bottom. And let's see. I guess I would need to make the ball bigger. Yeah, because here's how it looks like right now. What I'm thinking about. Like that. Let's see. Can you see it that close? Kind of ish. Focus! Focus! Stupid thing. Okay. How to figure this shit out. You stupid piece of shit. Okay. I ain't gonna mess with it. Alright, so I think y'all get. I think we're figuring it out. Or I'm figuring it out. Okay, let me do another knot. Cry, cry, cry. Cry, baby. There we go. That's what I want. Let me see. Oh, you bitch. Alright, let's try it again. Make another knot. Oh, I should have made a bigger ribbon. Or maybe use the thicker ribbon. Can I fix my tripod? Yes, you can. Who says that? I said that. Here we go. Okay. Now let's see. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yep, there it is. Bam. Looks like a little dingleberry. Ace is watching TV downstairs. Yep, that's it. That's what I want. I don't know if y'all can see it. I can see it. But yeah, this is what I want. A little bally on the bottom so that way the phone can stay right here and then it'll stop it. Okay. Alright. So, with that being the case, what I can do... Nope. Damn it! Son of a bitch! Okay. Think game on. That's what I want to do. So what if... Okay, I got an idea. What if I just glue it around, go around, and I glue it right here, right there. I wonder if I glue it right there and then glue the ribbon down like that. I wonder if it'll hold it like that. When I find out, let me go ahead and get that started real quick. Actually, this is what I did. Okay, so hold on, let me see if I can undo what I just did. So pretty much I did another knot. So I did another knot on it, and then I wrapped it around the little silver thing, and then I pulled it through. So now, let me see, you can see it right there. Can you see it? There you go. So now it's like wrapped around the thing, and here's the little knots. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck it in right here at the end, and I'm kind of looking back and forth on my phone screen and what I'm doing to make sure it's still even, or that you can see it. Now what I'll do is I'll put the glue on here to keep the little bally, keep the bally still, and that should work right there. So my phone will be right here, and then this bally will prevent it from falling out. So let me go ahead and put some glue on there. Like I said, I don't have much money to be buying new equipment. I have to rig stuff up to make it work. Alright, there we go. Alright. There it is. Cool. Can you see it? Come on, dude. Focus. There you go. Woohoo! So there it is. There's that. And then let me turn it to the side. There it is. And then, like I said, my phone's going to be right here. Right there. And so this prevents it from falling forward. And you know what? Just in case, I'm going to put some more. Should I put another? Yeah, let me put another binder clip. Should I put a binder clip? No. You know what? Because I don't want it to get squished. So no binder clip. But I will put some more glue up here on top and on the sides, just in case. Top, sides. And I'm not even squeezing it. I'm just letting whatever excess pops out. You know. There we go. And then I'll cut this little tie. Cut that little tie off real quick. Where's my other scissors? There we go. I got like different scissors for everything. Ta-da! There's the little bally. Oh my goodness. I hope this works. One way to find out. I'll see y'all in a few more hours, but in my time. Y'all's time, it'll be like that. Alright, so it has been a full day, and this is what I've gotten so far. So this, if you could, oops, sorry. So there's a little pico, the little thing sticking up, and it seems pretty firm. Don't think it'll move. I don't know. But let me go ahead and take these off. Okay. Now let's try it out on my old phone, on my S7 Active. Actually, you know what? Let's try. Hold on, let me try something. Okay, so let's see if this works. Alright, so I'm gonna start it up on the top part. Bring this up. I'm holding the bottom down just in case. Okay, so far so good. It's sticking, it's staying. Yep. Looks like it's gonna do the job. Yay! Let's see. Yep, the bottom is holding it down. The white is holding it, and the purple is making sure it's not going to slide forward. So I'd say that this was a go. Yay! Yay! Awesome. Well, I saved my tripod. So I don't know if you would say that I am tight with my money or trying to salvage what I have, or what. The way that I see it is it's still going, and until the legs fall apart, I'm going to keep on trying to use it. So, I don't know. If you're the kind of person that's like, if it breaks on you and you don't know how to fix things, or you can't fix it, or you don't want to fix it, well then I guess buy another tripod. But this, I bought this, I think it was last year on one of my videos. And I think I spent $20 on it, or $24. So, lasted me a good hot minute. So I'd say I got my money's worth on it. But now I'm just trying to keep it surviving. So, but yeah, so it works. Awesome. So now I shall continue on with my videos. So I hope y'all like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that other good stuff with all the other YouTubers says. And I will see y'all in the next. Peace.